Thanks very much. Cabin crew, that's doors to automatic and cross check, please. Thanks very much. Cabin crew, please take your demonstration position.
That one on. You should use anything.
Just for 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes.
Mày có thu chứ lại cho bật trái sẽ mày có thu chứ lại cho bật trái
Emergency procedures on its British Airways aircraft. We recommend that you remove your personal headphones. The captain and the crew are here for your safety. It is important that you pay attention and follow instructions carefully. First, check your seatbelt is securely fastened. Insert the metal tag into the buckle and tighten it by pulling on the loose end. To unfasten, simply lift up the metal flap on the buckle and pull apart. You'll find the seatbelt sign in the panel above your head. When it's on, you must fasten your seatbelt. We'll provide extension seatbelts for infants. If you are not in your seat when the seatbelt sign is switched on, please return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during our flight, even when the sign is off. Your life jacket is either beside or underneath your seat. To use it, take it out of the container and place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at your side. Inflate your life jacket when you leave the aircraft. We will supply infant flotation aids for babies and children. In the unlikely event of the aircraft having to make an emergency landing, you'll be told to take this protective brace position. But when seated facing rearwards in Club World, you must adopt this position. We will now explain how to leave the aircraft in an emergency. Move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. High-heeled shoes must be taken off, as they may tear the evacuation slide. Emergency lighting, including floor-level lighting, will help you find your way to the exits. These are clearly signed. There are 2 exits at the rear of the aircraft and 2 at the front of each cabin section. Your crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. To open the doors, move the handle in the direction of the red arrow. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. The slides can also be inflated by pulling this handle. Jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. If the aircraft is landed on water, these slides detach to form rafts. As you leave the aircraft, inflate your life jacket by pulling the red tag. If necessary, blow into this mouthpiece to top up the air. The life jacket is fitted with a light and a whistle. Your oxygen mask is behind the panel just above your head. If the cabin air system should fail, this will be released. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you to open your supply. Please note that the bag does not inflate. Place it over your mouth and nose and adjust the band to secure it. Then breathe. Do make sure your own mask is correctly fitted before helping anyone else. In some areas, you release the mask by pulling on this coloured string. If you're in a your Club World sleep suit, you may need to reach through the dividing screen to retrieve your mask. You may continue to use handheld electronic devices during taxi, takeoff, and landing. If flight safe mode is enabled, they are held securely and placed into a pocket. Larger devices, such as laptops, must be safely stowed at these times. Any transmitting devices without a flight safe mode must be switched off for the duration of the flight. For further information on using electronic devices in flight, please check High Life magazine. Take care your hand baggage isn't blocking the exits or aisles. Personal bags must be put under the seat in front of you, and larger items should be placed securely in the overhead locker. Please place all items in carefully so they do not fall out and cause injury. As this is a no smoking service, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. As we prepare for takeoff, please make sure that your tray table is put away, your seat is upright, and your armrest is down. Please stow your individual video screen in the footstool if you have one. Finally, take a look at the safety card in the seat pocket. If you have any questions, please ask your colleagues. We hope you have a relaxed and enjoyable
again, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. I'd like to have my welcome to that Captain earlier. My name is Helen Brown and I'm your customer service manager on board this flight to Orlando. I have an excellent team working alongside me today. If there's anything I or the crew can do to make flight more comfortable, then please don't hesitate to ask. I'd also like to take this opportunity to add a very warm welcome to any members of our executive club that are travelling with us today, and any customers joining us at